Hi friends, Anupama again. So yesterday I posted one video on Instagram that was on push-ups and I told you guys that my next video will be on push-up progression. So this video is for all the people who do not know how to do push-ups on their toes but want to master the art of doing push-ups. सो हुआ ये कि मेरे काफ़ी दोस्त हैं स्पेशली लड़कियां जो फिटनेस जर्नी पे हैं एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट एंड दे डू लॉट मेनी वर्कआउट्स but they always tell me that they are not able to do push-ups and they ask me like how you can do push-ups. So I thought I should make a video on that because if my friends are struggling to do push-ups, I'm sure there might be so many people who would be struggling to do push-ups. So push-ups has lot many benefits. Okay, so it focuses on your front chest, it focuses on your shoulders, on your biceps and triceps and even on your core. So it is an exercise which you really cannot avoid. But the most important thing is right form. And why I am saying this, because if you're not doing this push-ups in right form, it is going to hurt you like anything. You might hurt your shoulder or your lower back and it will not benefit you at all. But if you are doing it in right form, it is going to do wonders. So this video is for all the people who want to do push-ups and they are not able to do it. So I am here to help you guys. So I'm going to show you 5 steps and the fifth one would be the standard push-ups on toes. But you have to start with the first one. So once you master this first step, you can move on to the next, then you can move on to third and then fourth. And finally after a few days or maybe a month, you will be able to do standard push-ups. Do watch this video till end. I'm sure it will benefit you guys.
You have to start with the wall push-ups. For that, you have to stand about 2 feet from the wall with your arms straight out in front of you. Your palms should be on the wall at about shoulder level height and shoulder width apart. Then you have to bend your elbow and begin to lean your body toward the wall until your nose almost touches it. And you have to then again push back to the straight position and repeat it. But please ensure that your back stays straight and your hips don't sag. So once you are comfortable with wall push-ups, you can move on to the next, which is inclined push-ups on your knees. So for this exercise, you have to place your hands up on a wall, bench, shelf or bar at an appropriate height that allows you to drop your chest all the way down while maintaining perfect form. So don't forget to engage your core and you must squeeze your glutes and core. Once you master inclined push-up on your knees, you can move on to the next, which is push-ups on your knees. For this exercise, you have to get into the plank position first and then you have to drop your knees. Your back should be straight and your hands should be in parallel to your shoulder. And then you have to bend your elbows and then you have to go down and then up with the help of your palm. You have to repeat this exercise for 15-20 reps at least. And once you are comfortable doing push-ups on your knees, you can move on to the next exercise. Now comes the inclined push-up on your toes. So this exercise is similar to what we did in exercise number 2, but the only difference is that you have to do this exercise on your toes. So don't forget to keep your back straight and your core engaged while doing this workout. Now that you have mastered all the 4 steps, you can do standard push-ups. So for this exercise, you have to get into the plank position and you have to position your hands shoulder width apart or a little bit wider. You have to keep your back straight and core engaged. Your glutes and quads should be tight and then you have to perform push-ups.
I hope you guys liked my video. So try these push-up steps at your home and do let me know once you're able to do push-ups on your toes. Also, if you have any suggestion or if you want me to make video on any particular content, do mention in the comment box below. If you liked my video and if you want to watch such more content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So stay fit and stay healthy.